Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Let's begin the class with a short prayer. All of you fold your hands and close your eyes. Open your eyes. Today we are going to solve exercise 13.3. We have already learned how to expand large numbers and how to write them in, how to expand large numbers and how to write them in power form. First question is, write the following numbers in the expanded form. I have already taught you how to write them in expanded form. Here the number is 2,79,404. 2 into 1 lakh, 7 into 10,000, 9 into 1,000, 4 into 100 plus 0 plus 4. That is how we were writing. And then write it in power form. Instead of writing that step, we can directly write the answer 2 into 10 raised to. After 2, how many digits are there? You directly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 5 plus 7 into 10 raised to. After 7, there will be 4 places. Now the power will go on decreasing. Plus 9 into 10 raised to 3. After 4, 3. Plus 4 into 10 raised to 2. Plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4. This is how we write it. Second number, you can start saying the answer along with me. Total how many digits are there? 7 digits are there. So you will write it 3 into, this is 30,06,194. Okay. So 3 into 10 raised to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First number, if we get the remaining, we can write directly. 0 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4. Now do you understand? Sometimes they may not give this 0 into 10 raised to 5 or 0 into 10 raised to 4. If these places are missing, only 0 is there, then you have to add 0 in that place while writing the, if expanded form is given and you are asked to write the number, then we have to be careful about such places. Okay. Next one is, separate the number by putting commas. So it is easy for us to read, that is 28,06,196. So total 7 digits are there. After writing the first number, we will 2 into 10 raised to. After 2, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 10 raised to 6 plus 8 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6. 6 into 10 raised to 0 also you can write, otherwise directly 6. Here you write, separate them by comma. So it is easy to read. 1,20,719. 1 into 10 raised to, total how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 4. Then 0 into 10 raised to 3 plus 7 into 10 raised to 2 plus 1 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9. Last one, 20,068. 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 8. Clear? Question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded form. Now, it is just opposite of first question. An expanded form is given, you have to write the number. Look at the first power of the first digit. 8 into 10 raised to 4. If 10 raised to 4 shows there are 4 numbers or 4 digits after 8. So it is a 5-digit number, right? So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All the numbers are in order, powers are in order. So directly we can copy the numbers. That is 8, 6, 0, 4, 5. So we get 86,045. 5's place value is unique. Tens, 100,000, 10,000, right? Now here 4 into 10 raised to 5. The first power is 5. That means there are 5 digits after 4. So it is a 6-digit number. And now see whether the powers are in order. 5, 3. So 4 is missing. So the fourth power is missing there. We have to put 0. And after 3, 2 is here, 1 is missing. So in these two places we have to put 0. Do you follow? So let's write first one 4, fifth power is already written, fourth power is not there, so we are putting 0. Then third power 5, second is 3, then 0, then 2. See, 10 raised to 1 is missing, so we are putting 0. 10 raised to 4 is missing, there also we put the 0. Now the number is 4,05,302. See, total 6 digits are there. Now here 3 into 10 raised to 4. First digit power is 4. Power of 10 is 4. Therefore, there will be total 5 digits. So, let's check whether all the numbers are there. Fourth power is there. Then third power is not there. Second power is there. Unit power is also not there. So, let us see. 3. Then here we put 0. Then 7. Here again 1 is missing. So, we put 0. Then 5. Total 5 digits are there. 30,705. And the last question, 9 into 10 raised to 5. First power is 5. There will be 6 digits. After 5, 4 and 3 are missing. Then 2 is there, 1 is there and 0 is missing. So we have to put 0 also there. 9. Here in 2 places. Fourth power and third power are missing, so we put 2 zeros. Then 2, 3, then last 10 raised to 0 is also missing, so we have to put 0 there. Check whether you are getting total 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you go on checking, there won't be any mistake. It will be very easy to do it. Third question is, express the following numbers in standard form. Yesterday we have learned how to express the numbers in standard form. That standard form, how do we write? It is between 1.0 to between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0. Okay. Normally when we say between numbers, we don't count the extremes. But here 1.0 is counting. So this is equal to, after 5 how many zeros are there? Commas are given, so it is easy to count. 3 plus 2, 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So we can write it as 5 into 10 raised to 7 or 5.0 into 10 raised to 7. If you write 5.0 into 10 raised to 7, that is also correct. Now next question, 70 lakh. After 7, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write it as 7 into 10 raised to 6 or 7.0 into 10 raised to 6. Third question, it's a long number, but as I told you yesterday, if digits are given, natural numbers are there, that all the numbers we have to write after the decimal point. Soon after the first digit, we are going to put the decimal, and if there are numbers, natural numbers, we have to write all that except 0. 1, 8, 6, 5. The rest are zeros. But then when we write the power of 10, we must count all the digits after 3. Do you follow? Don't think that we have copied up to 1, 8, 6, 5. So the remaining only we have to count for the power of 10. No, it is not like that. After 3 we put the decimal, and then how many digits are total digits are there, that we have to count and write. 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 9. So total the number will be 3.1865 into 10 raised to 9. From just after the first digit, how many digits are there, that will be the power. Simple way. Next one, 3,90,878. So we write the first number, put decimal. Here all the 5 numbers are there. Since the last digit is also a natural number, we have to write all. 90878. Now count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write into 10 raised to 5. I hope it is very clear. Fifth question. Already a decimal point is given there. We don't have to write the decimal. Decimal is already given. We have to shift the decimal. How many places we have to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places we have to shift. Then we get the standard form. That is 3.90878. Even unit digit is natural number, so we are writing it after decimal into 10 raised to. Now be careful. Don't count all the digits. Our decimal place we already there. We are shifting it backward. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write it as 4. 4 places we shift to left. Here again decimal place is here. Even the last digit is given. There is no 0 here. So we have to write all the digits. 3.90878 into 10 raised to. Here is important. We started the decimal point after 3. Now tell me how many digits are there. We are moving from here to here. That is 1, 2, 3. So we will write it as 10 raised to 3. Clear? Now let us solve the fourth question. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. The distance between Earth and Moon is 384 and then again 0, 0. That means 100,000 and millions. 384 million meters away. So how to write it in standard form? That is We know except 0 all the digits we have to write, but place the decimal after the first number. 3.84. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2. After 3 how many digits are there? 8 digits are there. So we will write it as into 10 raised to 8. After 3 total 8 places. Then we write here meter. So it is easy for us to read it. 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Next question. Speed of light in vacuum is this much. How to write? How to write? Place 3 or 3.0 you can write into 10 raised to, count the digits. Count the number of zeros. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. That is 3 into 10 raised to 8, or you can write it as 3.0 into 10 raised to 8. Both are same. Diameter of the earth is here, that is 1 point, all the 4 numbers we have to write 2, 7, 5, 6 into 10. Now count the total numbers after 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7 meter. Oh, here I forgot to write meter per second. Everywhere you have to write the unit. Diameter of the sun is so and so. Let's write it. Long numbers is very difficult to read, so better we can write it in standard form and then read it. Here 1.4 we have to write. 1.4 into 10 raised to, now power we have to calculate. After 1 count the number of digits. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So 10 raised to 9 meter. I hope now you understand how to write the power. Next, in a galaxy there are on an average so many stars. 1 into, after 1 how many zeros are there? 1, 2, set of 3 you count. 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Total 10 raised to 11 stars. So now we can easily read it. 1 into 10 raised to 11 stars are there in a galaxy. The universe is estimated to be about so many years old. What will be the answer? 1.2. Now count the zeros. 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 10. Total numbers are 10. Now we can read it. The universe is estimated to be about 1.2 into 10 raised to 10 years old. Clear? Next question. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be so many meters. How can we express it? Now I want you to give the answer. First we have to write 3, then decimal. If you want you can put 0, otherwise directly multiply 10, 10. Up to here we know. Now count the number of sets. How many sets of zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 threes are 18, 19, 20. So total how many? What is the power of 10? 20. And write the unit meter. 3 into 10 raised to 20 meters. It is better you put the comma and then make a set of numbers so you won't miss any number. Okay. While counting, you won't make mistakes. Next, this so many molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. If you take a water drop having 1.8 gram weight, it contains such so many molecules. How can you write it? Up to here we have numbers, so continuously we have to write up to 3. Let us write 6.023. In between 0 comes, you have to write it. And then the remaining zeros, then count from right to left. We can count how many sets of zeros are there or numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 threes are 21 plus 1, 22. So we will write it as 10 raised to 22. Molecules. Question is about molecules. So we will write in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram contains 6 into 0.23 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. This is an estimated number. The earth has so many cubic kilometer of seawater. That is 1.353 into 10. Now count the numbers after 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 sets are there. So 3 threes are 9. So 10 raised to 9 cubic kilometer or kilometer cube. Clear? Next, last question. The population of India was about so much in March 2001. So here up to 7 numbers are there. So continuously we will write that much. That is 1.027. But we start into 10. Now we have to start counting the numbers after 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 threes are 9. So the power is 9. How to write? 1.027 into 10 raised to 9 people. That is the population of India in 2001. Do you understand how to write the standard form and expanded form? Okay, copy down all the questions and practice all the examples and try these questions also. Then only you get more practice. So let's wind up today's class. The chapter is over. So we'll start the next chapter in the next class. So till then, bye bye. May God bless you. Thank you.